Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to do a raster projection in the QGIS environment. Okay, let's start. First of all, I need to check the coordinate system of the current raster data. For this purpose, from properties, from information, I can come down and from coordinate system I can check the current coordinate system that is defined for this layer. It's UTM zone 32N. However, the data that I'm using, the zone is 33. In order to change it, I have an options that it easily allows you to do this. From raster, we have these options to do this. From projections and from reproject, I can do this. As input layer, you need to define your raster data that since I don't have any available data, this is going to be automatically down. From source CRS, the current coordinate system, it's going to be available for you, as you can see from here. And this is the important part, that you need to define the target coordinate system that you are interested in projecting your raster data. For this purpose, from select CRS, I need to change it here to predefined CRS. Okay, very good. And from here, I can define the coordinate system that I'm interested. WGS, UTM, zoom 33N. This is the coordinate system that I'm interested in adding to my data. By clicking on that, as you can see from the list, and click on run, it's going to be changed my coordinate system for my current data. Okay, very good. Right now, in order to see the change, again, I will go to my data, the new created data. As you can see, this is the previous one and this is the reprojected one. From properties, again from information, and from coordinate system, you can see that it's changed to zone 33, that it was my target. Okay, very good. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you, and thank you very much for your attention.